Hello everyone, and welcome to this new series of videos about programming in Python. If you already have some experience in other languages like Java, C++, or JavaScript, we'll explore how the concept you're familiar with translate into Python, and how you can leverage your existing knowledge to add Python to your skill set. For those who are completely new to programming, these videos are designed with you in mind. We will start from the very beginning, introducing programming in Python from scratch. From there we will delve into the basics, covering fundamental concepts like control flow, variables, and more. By the end, you will have a solid foundation that you can build upon. Throughout the series, I will provide explanations of key programming concepts and real-world examples to illustrate each principle in a supportive learning environment for everyone, regardless of prior experience. So whether you are an experienced programmer looking to expand your skill set, or a completely new beginner eager to learn and to dive into the world of programming, join us in this exciting journey. Together we'll explore the core principles that make coding a powerful and creative endeavor. See you soon.